Did you know there's a secret that can turn a single money plant cutting into a lush, vibrant centerpiece in just a few months? Today, I'll show you the little-known trick to propagating and growing this plant like never before. Hi there! If you've ever admired the cascading beauty of a money plant but thought it was too tricky to grow, think again. In this video, we're unlocking the ultimate secrets to growing money plants, also known as pothos, effortlessly. Here's the magic trick. Money plants are surprisingly easy to propagate when you know what to do. Take a cutting with at least 2 nodes, the knobby sections along the stem. Bury 1 or 2 nodes into the soil, leaving the rest exposed. Place 2 of these nodes in clean water in a narrow-necked glass bottle. For an added boost, dissolve half a dispersible aspirin tablet in the water. It stimulates root growth like magic. Money plants grow year-round, so there's no bad time to start. They thrive in bright indirect sunlight, indoors near windows, or even under shade. Water deeply but sparingly. Allow the topsoil to dry out between waterings to avoid root rot. Choose a healthy cutting with at least 3 nodes. Place the cutting in clean water, ensuring 2 nodes are submerged. Change the water every 10 days to keep it fresh. Showcase the journey of a money plant growing into a stunning centerpiece. Begin with a small cutting in water, highlighting the care steps like changing water and ensuring proper light. Transition to the plant thriving in soil, with lush green leaves cascading beautifully. Feature a cozy home setting where the matured money plant becomes the focal point of a room, adding charm and vibrancy. Use dynamic angles, soft lighting, and uplifting music to evoke excitement and pride in nurturing this show-stopping feature. If you found this video helpful, check out our next episode for more gardening magic.